Testament church. And so when we talk about when they prophesied and said that he would come and purify the sons of Levi. Look at somebody next to you and tell them that means you. You're a royal priesthood, you're a holy nation, you're a peculiar people. He has come to purify us, to make us clean, so that we could live in holiness and in righteousness. Anybody still believe in holy living? Won't you welcome our dear friend, Miss Grace Tippy.
To Gonna purify.